So all you need to do is grab the title. How easy is this? So I'm just copying the title of it here, putting it here into Google Fonts. I'm going to choose Update. Now you're not going to see that here in the preview because you are loading it within the WordPress environment. But if we take a look at the page now, you can see we have that font applied everywhere on our page, even on the video titles. Well, hello there and greetings to you. It is Matthew McDonald here, and I've got a super cool update on the video stack pages. I just put out version 1.0.17. So if you've got the video stack pages, you're going to love this update. And what I will do, there's a few different tools in here. I'm going to go through it fairly quickly here on the video. I'm also going to show you a new feature I built in to add different fonts. So if you don't like the default fonts that I've got in there, you can actually choose any font from Google Font, and you've got unlimited number of fonts there, and you can apply that to your video stack page. Also, if you had any trouble with adding opt-in forms, if you've got the premium package, you've got the opt-in form you can do in the custom HTML field. You can do that now, and we've got better scripts, and we've even got some more advanced features with customization that I will quickly go over in this video. So let's jump to my computer screen and take a look at Video Stack Pages version 1.0.17. So here we are on my desktop, 1.0.17 Video Stack Pages. This tool is becoming super awesome, and you can see here in just minutes you can create these awesome pages. I've got an opt-in form there with the premium version. I don't actually use opt-in forms, but I've got a demo here for you. I probably should, but I would put a sales button there instead. If we go to the settings here, we've got a new tab here called Advanced to obviously open this up. If you have a smaller screen, you might have it like this. You can open it and you can lock it in place so it stays open. If we take a look at the Advanced option here, we've got some new options. Now I deleted that because I want to show you how I actually add that. And we have Google Fonts, and the way I've got this set up is that you can put any Google font in there, and you just type in the name of the font and it'll load that font to your page. Now you're not going to see it in the preview here, but you'll see it on the front end of your page, and this way you don't have to mess around with any codes or links. You just type in the name of the font and it'll go ahead and add it to your page. We've also got advanced features for custom CSS. I do have some template classes for those of you that want to get really particular and you know CSS, then you can click that and add your own CSS styles. And scrolling down here, we've also got another advanced feature called the Ready script. So if you've got any kind of advanced JavaScript that needs to interact with the DOM, with the actual content of the page, you can put in JavaScript here and it'll fire once the page is ready. Okay, now we'll come back and do this font. I will show you this. We'll do a quick demo on this one. Just a quick word on the tracking too. All the tracking has been redone, so now you can add your header tracking, footer tracking, script tags. If you have any kind of script tags, you've got your Google Analytics here and Facebook Pixel. You just put the ID in those fields. But now these fields will support scripts as well, so you can put in your JavaScripts in those and it will work. Now the same goes for the contact panel. If you do have the premium version, you have the custom HTML option, which I've got here as an example with the opt-in form. You can also add custom fields there. That's my wife calling, so I'm going to have to pause this and get back to this in a tick. Okay, and we're back. Sorry, I'm a little bit short of breath. Let's get back into it. And the main point of this video was to show you how to do the font. So let's jump out of here and go back to our advanced options, and we've got our Google Fonts here. What I'm going to do is let's just go ahead and Google Fonts. If you Google Fonts, you'll come to fonts.google.com, And from here, you can add any kind of font you like. So there are a lot of fonts here in different font families. You can have a lot of fun here, but I'll pick something that looks quite different and you'll be able to see it in action. So why don't we go with this? So this is called Mental Mania. So all you need to do is grab the title. How easy is this? So I'm just copying the title of it here, putting it here into Google Fonts. I'm going to choose Update. Now you're not going to see that here in the preview because you are loading it within the WordPress environment. But if we take a look at the page now, you can see we have that font applied everywhere on our page, even on the video titles. So that's how easy you can go ahead and set your fonts. And once again, if you're an advanced user, you can check out the custom CSS. You can click that and get the different classes. But personally, I will just leave that alone, but you might want to switch the fonts around. So that's what's available in the latest update, and with the script ready, that's just a JavaScript, also an advanced feature. So if you want to run some JavaScript when the page loads, you can do that. And then just quickly, you've got the tracking codes, which now support scripts and other formats. So you can put it in the footer or in the header. And then once again, if you have the premium version and you have the custom HTML option, you can put in opt-in forms or anything you like. All right, that's going to be a wrap for this video on the video stack pages. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in another video very soon.